What if I told you that dying might soon become optional? Imagine a world where your mind could live forever, not in a fragile human body, but inside a digital consciousness. Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, buckle up, because artificial intelligence, mind uploading, and cutting-edge biotechnology might just turn this wild idea into reality. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you might start questioning everything you thought you knew about life and death. The dream of immortality. For as long as humans have existed, we've feared death. Every civilization, every culture, every religion has tried to explain it. Some promise an afterlife, some talk about reincarnation, and some just accept it as the inevitable end. But what if death wasn't the end? What if technology could rewrite the rules of existence? Throughout history, humans have been obsessed with extending life. From ancient alchemists searching for the elixir of life to modern-day scientists developing anti-aging drugs, the dream of immortality has always been alive. But now, with AI and digital consciousness, we might actually be closer than ever. How AI could make us immortal? Alright, let's get into the mind-blowing part. How could AI actually help us achieve immortality? One possibility is mind uploading. Think of it like transferring your entire brain onto a supercomputer. If we could scan and map every neuron, every synapse, and every connection in the human brain, we could recreate it in a digital format. In theory, this would allow your consciousness, your thoughts, memories, and personality to live on in a virtual world or even be transferred into a robotic body. This concept, known as whole brain emulation, is already being studied by neuroscientists and AI researchers. Companies like Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk, are developing brain-computer interfaces that could be the first step toward this digital immortality. Then there's biological immortality, and AI is helping with that too. Scientists are using AI to analyze human genetics, pinpoint aging-related genes, and develop treatments that could slow down, or even reverse, aging. Imagine microscopic AI-powered nanobots inside your body, repairing damaged cells, removing toxins, and keeping you biologically young forever. Sounds crazy, right? But it's no longer just a fantasy, it's a real scientific possibility. Section 3, the challenges of digital immortality. Now, before you start planning your eternal future, let's talk about the challenges. First, there's the big question of consciousness. Even if we successfully copy your entire brain into a computer, would that digital version actually be you? Or would it just be an advanced simulation of your mind? Would you still feel emotions? Would you have the same thoughts? Or would it just be an empty, soulless copy? Then there's the ethical dilemma. Who gets access to digital immortality? Would it only be for billionaires, creating an even bigger gap between the rich and the poor? And what if an AI version of a person could be hacked, deleted, or even controlled by someone else? Imagine a world where your digital consciousness could be manipulated against your will. And finally, there's the fear of stagnation. Think about it, if nobody ever dies, does human progress slow down? Do we lose the urgency that makes life meaningful? Or do we end up in a world that's overrun by digital minds, unable to move forward? Section 4, how close are we to immortality? So, are we actually close to making this happen? Right now, we're in the early stages. Scientists have successfully mapped the neural networks of simple organisms like worms. AI is already being used in medical research to slow aging. And brain-computer interfaces are advancing at a rapid pace. Some experts predict that within the next 50 to 100 years, we could have the technology to transfer human consciousness into a digital form. Others believe biological immortality, through genetic engineering and nanotechnology, might be possible even sooner. But the real question isn't just can we achieve immortality, it's should we? Would you want to live forever? And at what cost? Conclusion. So, what do you think? Is digital immortality the next step in human evolution? Or are we playing with forces we don't fully understand? One thing is certain, science is moving faster than ever, and the future might bring surprises we can't even imagine. If you found this video interesting, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content about the future of technology. And let me know in the comments, if given the choice, would you choose to live forever? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the future.